Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday after the new year or whatever. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good New Year so far. We're back out here on the silt pond. As you can tell, this hose not running because the batteries are dead. So Clayton, we tried jumping it off for like, I don't know, a good 20-30 minutes. Then said, you know what, that's not gonna work clearly. So we tried jumping it off with the Volvo, but didn't take. So those are the original, those are the original batteries in it. I think they're 5 years old. So yeah, Clayton went to go get new batteries, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So we pumped this 4-bay all the way down. There wasn't enough water in it to keep pumping. So I guess all the water kind of got sucked out of the mud or something, I don't know, or maybe it's leaking back through the dam or leaked out of here or something, I don't know. But anyway, I'm coming over here and we really need to pump some of that water, and I'm gonna come right up here. So the dam gets pretty wide right here, and I always leave a path wide enough to get by on, so 10, 12, 13 feet, but the dam kind of widens out, comes back to right in here. So I'm gonna come right here and dig a bar pit. See how deep I can get. Throw my dirt, maybe I'll throw my dirt up that way, and that way we can just shove it up there and blend it in with the hill, because we really don't need any dirt. And then I'll have to come down here. I have to come down here and dig a pit, make a pit in the side of this hill, because this mud is so bad that it won't, if you throw it up on the hill, it just runs back in the pond. So I have to come down here and dig a little hole and then build a berm where one of the hose can throw it into that pit, and one of the hose can sit up here, grab it out of the pit and throw it into the hole. So it's gonna be interesting. Alrighty, guys, so I've just got a little bit of this mud out here. I videoed it with my phone on the magnet mount. So yeah, it's still got some water. Still got some water in the bottom, but we ain't gonna be able to get it all out, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. Sorry for all the coughing, but as you can see, I got my little mud hole up here, and I'm about to hop up on the hill and throw it over. I need to dig that bar pit a little bit deeper. I didn't know how much mud I was going to be able to move today, so we didn't really get started until after lunchtime. What time is it right now? It's 1:30 right now, so yeah, we didn't get started till after lunchtime because the water, just had to get the water out of this stupid thing. plating's down in there, as you can see. I'll open up the windshield here. That's a dumb design right there. Is there nowhere else for this thing to go? That's stupid, if you ask me. But start throwing mud over here. I'll throw this in this hole. This stuff splatters so bad. So bad. I've got the windshield open so y'all can see. I usually don't leave it open, but it's kind of dirty, so I'm probably gonna get covered with mud. It's pretty nasty stuff. I like to put it on the edge like that so it's not just free falling down to the bottom, because if you just chunk it in there, it makes a huge mess. That will slow it down some, you know. I'll do one just for, you probably won't even be able to tell. Oh, I don't know if you can tell or not, but slings crap everywhere. So it's it's the end of the day, pretty much. Like, it's about 4 o'clock, and I just got, let me do this. I just got down in here to help Clayton kind of clean this stuff up here, just to kind of get it up out of the water. And I don't know if it'll help much just one night, but it don't hurt to try, you know. We got to move it anyway, so we both down in here. It's kind of cool. We rarely have both big excavators on one job at the same time, so I figured I wasn't going to film anything else today, but I was like, you know what, this is kind of interesting. Both slinging mud, just trying to get it on that bank over there so we can get to it tomorrow. Like, this is basically all we have to do. Just get it up and out of here. We might have to haul some off. We talked about doing that, but I don't know. I'd like to be able to bury it all here. Because to haul it off with, I would have to dig up dirt somewhere to mix it with, because this won't stay in the truck. One time we had to haul some mud off and out of a pond like this, and I loaded a truck and its tailgate was shut, but it had a big gap in it. It dumped mud for like down the major highway. I mean, the whole way. It was like a 10 or 15 mile one way. And it dumped mud all the way down the highway the whole time. I actually was on the phone with a friend. They said, dude, there's a dump truck. They told me, they said, there's a dump truck just spewing mud out all on the highway. And I asked him what truck it was, and sure enough, it was that guy. So, you know, this stuff, like, you can't load this in the back of a dump truck and take it down the road. It'll find, it's basically the consistency of water. It'll find its way out, you know. So, yeah, even if we haul it off, we would have to dig up dry dirt and put it with it. So, yeah, I'd like to just get rid of it all here.